Africatuff'S ultra-high pressure KP150 diesel-driven pumping system. A unique combination of two unique pumping systems in one. This machine is a highly adaptable pumping system with 30 liters at 2800 bar, 260 horsepower. And we can supply this machine in 4 types of pumping systems to suit your adaptational needs, such as the standard diesel-driven pumping system, the standard electrical-driven pumping system, both with the options to be trailer-mounted, skid-mounted, rig-safe and containerized, and the ATEX Zoned 2 diesel unit and the ATEX Zoned 2 electric unit, both with the options to be trailer-mounted, skid-mounted, rig-safe and containerized. It consists of an efficient liquid end change-out conversion kit from 2800 bar at 25.4 liters per minute to 1100 bar at 65 liters per minute in less time than it takes to make a cup of coffee. This pumping system is ATEX certified with a pump shaft speed of 470 revolutions per minute. It comes with a bag filter unit with aircraft aluminum construction, which uses a 5-micron water filter bag and a liquid-filled pressure gauge with easy read dial face. The pumping system is also equipped with a centrifugal charge pump that ensures consistent inlet pressure to the high-pressure pump driven from the PTO. This pumping system can be installed in an optional 10F offshore dry van DNV 2.71, Lloyd's Register certified and included slings. This unit with its complete package comes with 2800 bar tooling accessories that are as follows. An AIR rotational gun complete with spares kit, Parker hose with fittings to match and service kits, which can be utilized for the subsequent applications, surface preparation, tube bundle and heat exchanger cleaning, line cleaning and tank cleaning, hydro demolition, vessel cleaning and machine washing. This machine, along with its comprehensive package, also includes an optional 1100 bar, tooling and accessories as outlined below. Optional 1100 bar, at 67 liters per minute, tough self-rotating head, line cleaner Badger style and Banshee style. Tough retrofit centralizer, 100 millimeters to 55 millimeters, 1100 bar hose and sapphire nozzles, which can be utilized for the subsequent applications. Surface preparation, tube bundle and heat exchanger cleaning, line cleaning and tank cleaning. Hydro demolition, vessel cleaning, and machine washing, including a 6-month liquid end service kit and a 6-month engine service kit. Package also includes a complete ultra-high pressure tough suit. Our UHP safety suit, certified by the European Union CE, is meticulously crafted for optimal protect. Constructed with UHP blast-proof material capable of withstanding ultra-high pressure of 40,000 psi, weighing only 1.9 kilos, ensures enhanced agility, full range of motion, and reduced fatigue. Versatile in application, it shields against fire, dust, silica, and ensures dryness. Highly versatile in the toughest working environment. And lastly, with an optional on-site handover and training minimum 6 to 8 days. Africatuff'S highly trained technicians will arrive on site and conduct a complete training course. In full compliance with water jetting associations, best practices in water jetting and blasting. Contact us now. Email sales@africatuff.co.za or call at sales office 032-940-6691. For technical help, email our technical department, technical@africatuff.co.za. Because it ain't tough if it ain't Africatuff.